Hello friends! In this video I'll show you how to get the HyperLiquid Airdrop step by step. This is a great opportunity to earn tokens, and all you need is an active crypto wallet. Ready? Let's get started. First, go to the HyperLiquid Airdrop website. I've conveniently left the link in the description and pinned comment below this video. Just click on it and you'll be on the right page. Next, connect your crypto wallet. It's easy. Click the Connect Wallet button, choose your wallet, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or any other supported option, and confirm the contract. Just a few clicks and your access to the platform is unlocked. This could be the moment that changes your crypto journey, so take action now. And here's the magic. After connecting your wallet, you'll likely see 15 Hype tokens in your account right away. That's roughly $300, not just for connecting. But here's the important part. Only active users are eligible for the airdrop. If your wallet hasn't been used for a while, your chances of getting it are lower. Don't worry though, this is a great reason to activate your wallet and start earning today. You can instantly sell these tokens on the exchange or keep them for trading to increase your opportunities. Want more? Great! Trade on the platform to earn additional rewards. HyperLiquid rewards users who hold tokens from the strict list, such as HYPE, PURR, HFUN, CATBAL, and others. The more active you are, the higher your chances of receiving another airdrop. This isn't just free money, it's a strategy that could bring you future profits. So, friends, this is your moment. If you've done everything right, congratulations. You've just earned your HyperLiquid tokens. Share this video with your friends so they can take advantage of this opportunity too. Remember, opportunities come to those who are ready to act. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment. It's your way of supporting the channel. See you in the next videos.